was looking for a bit more of a challenge, so that's why I moved across to Western Australia to work in communities here. I mean, geographically, they're very sparse in how they're spread out. Kalumburu, for example, is like 6 hours away from the nearest town. You really need to make sure that your skills are up to scratch. You need to be confident in your abilities in assessing patients, coming up with your diagnoses, your treatment plans. I'm the type of person that thrives on that, and I think a lot of RANs do. Like people that tend to work in single nurse posts or in smaller posts with a few nurses, you really like the problem solving and the challenge of working out what's going on with this patient. I came on as agency, and because I love the area and the work that I've already started, I really want to see that through. So I've decided to move across to WACS and to become a WACS employee. The community is really, really good to work with. Like, they're there with you, they make you feel part of the community, you're quite well included. It's much more close-knit. It's that aspect of nursing that falls away in big metro areas where you're constantly under the pump. In remote communities, you keep that link and that contact all the time. Generally, the clinic is busy. We'll see patients ranging from like chronic disease management that come in for medication management, psychiatric conditions that we just provide like daily or ad hoc support with, to just your general patients that are coming through that need to see a nurse or need some sort of treatment. I spoke to some of the community elders. We discussed about setting up a holistic men's health group that looks at mental health, their social well-being as well as their physical health. Quite difficult to get people to come in. I had to put the barbecue on, make some sandwiches, try and coax them in, provide that reassurance to them that it's confidential. So there was 7 attended in the first week, and then we've gone up to 14 the second week, 21, and it's just continuing to climb. So the men are actually coming and they're speaking about what they want for the community. So they want like resources for a basketball team to play sports. Sports is a really big part in Kalumburu. They play AFL and they play basketball nearly every night. So we start on a Friday and Saturday night, getting the guys out and playing together with the adults and the younger kids, which is really good because you can see all the community coming together. For any new RANs going into that area, I would say go in and settle in first. Get the lay of the land, get to know people, get your face known. You need to slowly build those relationships and trust before you can start really pushing for impact. The area is lovely, the support that you get is really good. For career progression, advancement and for uplifting your skills, it's definitely a good area to work. And it will challenge you like nowhere else, because there is nowhere else in Australia as remote as some of the communities that you deal with in WA.